Hello students, let's solve this problem which is from the topic surface area, and the question says the circumference of a circle is 22 centimeters. Calculate the area of its quadrant in square centimeters. So here in this question we have been given the circumference of the circle which is 22 centimeters. So the formula for circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, which is given as 22 centimeters. From this relation, we can find the radius of the circle. So 2 pi r will be 22 centimeters. From here, we can calculate r, which is 22 divided by 2 pi, or r equals 11 divided by pi. Or if we put the value of pi, this is going to be 22 by 7, or divided by 22 times 7. We can cancel 11 and 22. They have a common factor of 11. 11 times 1 is 11 and 11 times 2 is 22. So r upon 2 centimeters. Now we are required to find the area of the quadrant. So we know that the area of circle is pi r square. For finding the area of the quadrant, one quadrant is 1/4 of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square, and area of the quadrant will be 1/4 the area of the circle, cause one quadrant is quarter section or 1/4 of the whole circle. So here we have a circle, and one quadrant is this much part of the circle, which is 1/4 the area of the circle. So that will be 1/4 times pi r square. And we have already calculated the value of r as 7 upon 2. So we'll just put the value of r. So that's 1/4 times pi times 7 upon 2 whole square. This is 1/4 times 22 upon 7. Pi, the value of pi is 22 upon 7. Times 7 times 7 is 49, and square of 2 is 4. Here we can cancel out few numbers. There is a common factor of 7 in between 7 and 49. 7 times 7 is 49. And a common factor of 2 between 4 and 22. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 11 is 22. So the numerator will be 11 times 7, and denominator will be 4 times 2. So the area of quadrant is 77 upon 8 square centimeters. So this is how we can find the area of quadrant of a circle. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.